Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if this is your first time to stumble on this channel, do me the favor to hit the red subscribe button below to subscribe, and of course the notification bell, so that each time I upload a new video you will be the first to be notified. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support, thank you for always supporting me. I love you guys back to back. So in this channel we talk about love, relationship, friendship and lifestyle, and in this particular video I'm going to be talking about bad friends. Now, we have some friends around us that don't really wish good for us. Like they will be celebrating with us when something good comes out, and we don't know what they are saying behind our back. So in this video I'm going to talk about some characteristics of bad friends. The first characteristics of a bad friend that I want to talk about is a friend that you always feel bad after having an encounter with a person. You know, we have some friends that if we have discussion with them, like if we meet with them, when we discuss, like after the discussion we part ways, we'll be feeling bad. Oh, but why did she react like this? Why did he react like this? Why did he say this? Why did you have that kind of feeling in your mind, like you start feeling bad. If I knew, I wouldn't have said this. If I knew, I wouldn't have told her this. I knew, I wouldn't have told her this. I wouldn't have told him this. Yeah, we will be having those regrets. If you realize you are always having those kind of regrets when you meet with a particular friend, just know that person is a bad friend. It's either what you told a person, you are scared that somebody else might hear it, or you because of the way the person reacted when you told her something. That's the first point, characteristics of a bad friend. Another characteristics of a bad friend is a friend that you meet and your conversation are never mutual. Like they will be the one to keep on explaining their problem, talking, and they will not even give you the chance to explain your own problem. This is bad because if I have problems that is eating me up and I'll not have anybody to explain to, because you are the kind of person that you don't want to talk about another person, like you don't want to listen to another person, you always want to be the one to be talked about. This is it's not good. It's a bad friend. Another characteristic of a bad friend is somebody that bitch you behind your back. Yeah, this is very bad because you have your problem and explain to somebody, they'll say, oh, it's okay, don't bother, this is they'll want to console you, and when they go behind you, they'll be castigating your name, insulting you. Look at what she did, look at what he did, he's doing this, he's doing that. And it's a very bad. If you discover that you confided in somebody and the thing comes out, please be very, very cautious to that person. That person is actually a very bad friend. The person wants to justify, no, I just explained for you now because I want me to give my own opinion. If I wanted the person's opinion, I would have gone and explain to the person myself. I trusted you because you were my friend. That's why I told you, not that you should go and be asking people. No, me, I can ask people too. I know people I can ask too. The fact that I came to ask you is because I trust you, not for you to go and ask other people. And if you want to ask any person, ask my opinion first before you want to go and ask any person. Not for you to go and be explaining things because you wanted to explain. No, it's very bad. Another characteristic of a bad friend is a friend that will mock at you in front of other friends or other people. Yeah, if you are my friend, defend me in front of people and tell me the truth behind. Not that I'll do something wrong or I'll do something and you will be shouting at me and embarrassing me in front of people. If I am your friend, support me in front of people and go behind and tell me, no, but this thing that you did like this is very, very wrong. No matter I was supporting you, I just never wanted to embarrass you. I just wanted to let it pass like that. But this one that you did, no, I'm not that correct. It is very wrong. Yeah, that's true friendship. Another characteristic of a bad friend is that they are bad influence and always make you to do something that will land you into trouble. Yes, anybody that always make you to do something that will put you into trouble is not a good friend. Most of the times when they make you get into trouble, they will struggle and build themselves out of it, and they will be like pointing everything on you. If you discover you are close to somebody who always make you to do things that you don't like to do, that always make you to do things that will land you into trouble, because that person is a very bad friend. It's not like some of them will like, I just did it to help you, I just advised you so that I thought it's something that was going to help you. No, they know what they were telling you. No, they know why they were giving you that kind of advice, because they definitely knew that you are going to land yourself into trouble, and that is what they wanted to see. So if you discover that it continuously, because like somebody can do an innocent mistake that will land you into trouble. If somebody is doing something to you that is frequently landing you into trouble, that one is not an innocent mistake again. It's very, very intentional, because you can do it one time you say, okay, maybe I gave this advice was not good enough, and you land yourself into trouble, I'm sorry. But you continuously giving me advice that's making me to land myself into trouble. You have to buy sense. Not that this person is of no good. This person is of no good. The person can make me to get into a bigger mess that I cannot be able to bail myself out of it. Another characteristic of a bad friend is they make the relationship conditional. Like they make it as if they are doing you a favor being friends with you. Yeah. Some people, when you are friends with them, you want to even talk, you want to even take something up. I look at the beg you. I want to talk. I look at the beg you. I beg I don't want the friendship again. Small, you have small misunderstanding. I beg I don't want the friendship again. You have small misunderstanding. I beg I don't want them again. Go like it seems like you are in your relationship or boyfriend, girlfriend, or husband, and wife. I beg your wife will do small thing. I want divorce. Your husband will do small thing. I want divorce. Your boyfriend will do small thing. I beg I want break up. I don't tire. Your girlfriend will do small. I'm tired though. I don't tire. I want break up. I want break up. No. If they are doing it as if they are doing you a favor, it's no longer friendship. It's a very bad friend. It's a bad trade, because you cannot be saying one thing over and over. That means that thing is inside your mind. That is what you have in your mind. You just know, you just don't have the right way to say it. So if you have that friend, that partner that is always threatening you for separation, that always threatens for separation whenever you have a little misunderstanding, no, that person is not good for you. It's a bad influence. Last characteristics I want to talk about is the friends that use your secret against you. Yeah, you might have put yourself in one mess or the other, and that your friend is the only person that knows about it. If you want to have a little misunderstanding, or they'll say, remember this thing that you did. Maybe there are some wife or some husband that uses their wife or husband secret against them. Say, I'll tell everybody that you did it, or tell all man say you do one, or like what is happening in our community today, that this one is posting nude, this one is posting nude. It's very bad. The person, if you have a friend that knows that's your secret, that knows that that's secret, and using that particular secret to threaten you, that person is a very, very bad influence. Please try as much as possible to stay away from that person. So this is the little things I want to talk about bad friendship. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Drop your opinion down below what you think about this video. Share to your friends and anybody that you think might need to hear this. Please, if you are not subscribed to now, hit the red subscribe button below to subscribe and turn on those notifications, so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.